Welcome to our review of QuickShare, a cloud storage platform that offers a range of features designed to meet your data storage needs. If you're new to cloud storage, QuickShare provides an intuitive interface that makes it easy to upload, manage, and share your files. One of the standout advantages of QuickShare is its generous storage options. Users can choose plans that fit their needs, whether for personal use or business. The service is known for its reliability and fast upload speeds, which are crucial for those with large files or numerous documents. QuickShare also emphasizes security, ensuring that your data is protected with encryption and secure access protocols. This makes it a solid choice for users concerned about data privacy. However, like any service, QuickShare has its drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional customer service delays, which can be frustrating if you encounter issues. Additionally, while QuickShare offers competitive pricing, it's essential to compare it with other providers to ensure you're getting the best value for your storage needs. Let's talk about pricing. QuickShare offers a range of plans, including a popular option for 10 terabytes of cloud storage. This is a significant amount of space that can accommodate thousands of photos, documents, and videos. Plus, you can purchase this storage permanently with no annual subscription, which sets it apart from many competitors that require ongoing fees. Buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever, no annual subscription at the link in the description of the video. In this review, we'll dive deeper into the specific features QuickShare offers, including its mobile app, desktop access, and integration with other platforms. We'll also look at user feedback to provide a comprehensive overview of what to expect. Whether you're considering QuickShare for personal use or as part of a business strategy, understanding its strengths and weaknesses will help you make an informed choice. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more insights on cloud storage and digital solutions. Your support helps us bring you more content like this.